Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is Bootstrap 5 complete tutorial series for absolute beginners. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to customize the Navbar dropdown to display on hover instead of click. What do I mean? Let me show you real quick. Go to getbootstrap.com, then search for Navbar here and click on how it works and scroll little down and you can see a drop down which works only on click and not on hover. Today we are going to customize it and show it on hover. Okay, so I have this basic code with me. Now what it does, on click it will show, on click it hides. Okay, so let's go ahead and customize that behavior to show it on thing. So what I'm going to do is add a style and add some color to it first, and I'm going to add a background, and you can add a background color and say aquamarine for now. It won't show because you need to override it with important. Now it shows. Now click, the submenu shows up. Okay, perfect. So now what we are going to do is we need to show the drop down on hover. Okay, that's what we are trying to do. So let's go ahead and fix that up. Now for that all we have to do is use the hover class, and whenever you hover on it we are going to display it. Simple as that. Okay, so let's go ahead and change that behavior. Alright, so to do that what we'll do is .nav link. Oh sorry, there is a drop down class that we need to take. Here you see that drop down. So whenever you hover on the drop down, put the hover class and say then what needs to happen. Okay, whenever you hover on it something should happen, correct? And that something is nothing but we need to display this class, which is drop down menu should be display block. So we'll say display block. So now when I hover it shows. See the hover effect. So whenever you hover on the drop down, now it will show instead of the click, which is this one. See, nothing happens here. When you click it shows, but when you want to do a hover, just add the class which is drop down colon hover. That means whenever user hovers on drop down, what we need to do, we need to take this class which is drop down menu and display block. So like this, and now you have on hover. Okay, simple tutorial but everyday useful tutorial. Okay, I also use it every day at work, so I hope it helps you. And do let me know if you want more such small code snippets to help you get your work done. I'll be more than happy to create tutorials for you. Thank you so much for joining. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.